I rescued this cart from the local grocery store. And what I'm going to do with it is I'm going to cut it down, make a bit of a tray for a deck to slide out from underneath here. It will fit up under the framework here, and it will slide out the back. I've already taped off where I'm going to cut it. It's going to be 8 inches deep. There's a drop down of 4 inches underneath the frame. I've already removed the wheels, as you can see. I've already taped off where I'm going to cut. Make it easy for me to see where I'm cutting. And then I'm going to use some slotted angles to attach it to the frame of the camper.